it's Addison. I am about to get ready for Nas's birthday party, and I wanted to take you guys with me for a little get ready with me. Also, I can't stop looking at my nails. They're so good. They have real opals on them, which is my birthstone. So I just showered. I washed my hair because my friend Kylie is gonna come do my hair. I washed my face in the shower, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on. I am sunburnt, so my acne scars are kind of coming out a lot. I definitely don't have perfect skin, and I'm breaking out kind of. So I actually just got back from Cabo, and like I had said, I'm a little sunburnt. I did use SPF because I think that's really important, especially to start using it when you're young and kind of get in the habit of it. But I do like the way my nose looks because I have a lot of freckles. That's kind of all I do with my face, and then I take some setting powder. I really am not saying I know how to do everything perfectly, but this is kind of what works for me. And I'm gonna put some under my eyes just to let sit there. By the way, Sephora has a sale right now, so if you wanna shop Item Beauty and try out some products, if you haven't already, you can shop Item Beauty at Sephora with the Sephora sale and get a great deal on some products. Okay, so now I'm just going to, taking some of the lighter shade and just blending that out. So I did just like a little bit of bronzer, a little bit on my forehead. I always do it on my chin a little bit. I have nothing on my nose right now, but I probably will add a little bit of blush when I get Item Blush, which you can also get at the Sephora sale, and just dab my brush in it a little bit. And I really don't want too heavy. Who am I kidding? I always say that and then I put on a lot of blush. But just kind of like a natural glow. And with blush, I always do a little bit on my forehead, just like a tiny bit. And my chin, and my nose a little bit. I kind of just did this without pressing record, but I took this shade here and kind of just put it around my nose a little bit to give it that enhanced sun-kissed glow, because I already am sun-kissed, but wanted to enhance it. Okay, so that's all for my face. Now I'm going to do a smoky eye. So now I'm just using this bone color kind of as my base. Now with this, okay, whatever. It's a cool brown shade. I put a little bit on here because I had way too much on my crease. So that's it, blend it out in my crease, and then I'm gonna go in with like a gray, dark gray, black. And now I'm gonna drag the brown, which is a cool tone, down under my eyes. Okay, I already started doing this because it was really hard to do on the camera, but I'm doing this black liner on top, like this. And this stuff does not move at all. Okay, I shouldn't have done that because it's gonna be hard to come off, but it does not move at all, which is really nice when you want something to last all night. You can kind of smudge it a little bit as you apply it, but see, it's already starting to dry, so it's super quick dry, perfect for just a straight eyeliner, but I always do smudge the ends out a little bit before it dries, and it literally does not move. I'm gonna let my eyebrows stay a little natural, so I'm just using this eyebrow gel from Kelly, who does my eyebrows when I get them done. I'm also gonna move my phone over here to finish. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and do mascara. Okay, I finished my mascara. It's really hard for me to do mascara on camera because I always get it all over my eyelids, and I actually did a pretty good job at not doing that just now. The lip liner I wanted to use was downstairs, so I'm now downstairs. But I'm just gonna go in with my Pat McGrath lip liner and line my lips. And for lips, I just dabbed some of my blush on the center. And this is my finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Now I'm gonna get my hair done because Kylie's almost here and get dressed. And yeah, thank you guys. Love y'all. Don't forget to shop item beauty at the Sephora sale.